In this video, we're going to be talking about how to actually set up the opt-in forms on your website. Okay, so as you remember in the previous video, we set up this form and I've edited it a little bit. So basically everything is, you can create the forms and you can change any font color, font size, etc. So I've amended it slightly to make it appear a bit more exciting, and I said free numerology reading, learn what your date of birth really means and how it can shape your future. Subscribe to get your free personalized numerology reading below. Then it's got this email address here and the subscribe button. You can also edit this option to not show powered by ConvertKit. So just click on that and untick it and it will disappear. If you do leave it open, you can basically promote ConvertKit, but I don't want to show that. And now this is, if we just hit save now, basically now this is ready to be embedded into our pages wherever we want to show the opt-in form. So next thing that we'll want to do is just hit embed and copy this link, and now we'll need to go into the posts on our website where we want to show this. So let's just go into the posts and we can insert it into the posts that are already published. So for example, we can go into this 707 angel number, which was one of the first posts that were published on the website, and then we can try to figure out the best way to show this. Now, you can show this opt-in form in a couple of spots on your posts. As an alternative, you can also create different opt-in forms. So for example, you can create one for free numerology reading, and then you can create a separate form for something like, you know, how to improve your life using the numbers. You know, just the different forms. And for example, for a dog niche, it could be free 10 tricks, 10 free tricks that you can teach your dog. And then, you know, a second type of opt-in form would be how to make sure that your dog, you know, healthiest foods for your dog to eat, something like that. So and then this way you can insert a couple of them into the post and they won't look repetitive. So hopefully this is making sense. So what we're going to do here now is, for example, after this first paragraph, just before 707 meaning in the Bible, I want to go there. So I'm going to go into text mode, and then I'm going to insert that code in here. Okay, and then I'll go back and I'll also insert a second opt-in form at the very end where it's got over to you. So just at the very end here, I'm going to insert this script in here as well. And let's click update. And that will now, let's preview how it's looking. Okay. Cool, so now it's got that first opt-in form. So as they're reading my post, they will come across this free numerology reading and they can subscribe. And then here we go, that subscription form is now at the very end here as well. So you would just need to do the same thing for the other posts that you have. And you can of course do this as you are creating the posts in the future as well. You can go in and insert these opt-in forms, and people, as they're reading your posts in the future, a lot of them will end up subscribing to your email list and then going into your autoresponder sequence. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.